after 3:30. Had some wet conditions last night. Dropped down real quick. They were calling for some precip as well, but everything dried up really nicely. Got a little bit of residual salt still on the properties, and no real precip tonight so far. But we are not salting, just making sure we don't have any runoff, but nothing really. So let's check it out a couple. Out here at another site, you can kind of see patchy ice up there. This is the lower spot down by the drain inlet, but got a couple patches over by the steps where all the employees will be coming in. So we're gonna go grab the salt truck right now. Unloaded the salter, all set. Checked out every property. Couple puddles at each one that we salted. Monday afternoon, just got back from picking up the new work truck. 2020 F350, 6.2 liter gas engine with a 10-speed transmission, regular cab, 8-foot box. Came with this brand new Western MVP3 8-foot 6 plow, just like our other two. The truck came with 4,100 miles on it. Got a pretty good deal. Really happy with it. And growing the fleet feels pretty good. Get all the work trucks. Supervisor. Gotta get a bed liner for that. Pretty nice. Got a backup camera. Be good for trailers, snow plowing. So we'll keep this as a backup truck for right now, for the rest of the winter. But springtime, we'll have work for it. We're gonna add another crew. So we'll have 3 crews out in the summer. Tuesday morning, about 1:30, just at the shop. Gotta fuel up a couple trucks and put my plow on still. But we got a bit of snow last night, just about an inch I actually measured, and it's 7 degrees, so we gotta scrape everything off before we salt. Just a little bit too much to just salt. So got the guys coming in a little bit. Gonna go out and do all the commercial counts. partial counts is done, 4:30. However, my front loader that I'm leasing is not starting this morning, and one of my plow drivers, subcontractors, didn't answer the phone this morning. So I got quite a bit of extra stuff I'm gonna be helping out on. So should be able to get everything done in time. Luckily, it's only an inch of really, really light stuff because it's only 4 degrees out. We'll keep on trucking. Salting's gonna be a little bit late this morning. Should still be able to get it all done by 7 or 7:30 though, at the very latest. So that'll be good. Alrighty. Thursday, January 13th. Yep. Just before 4 a.m. Got a coating of snow out there. Gonna head on out and salt. Unfortunately, the front loader that we lease is still out of commission. Bobcat of Buffalo has not fixed it yet. So we gotta load the salt truck with this stupid thing. And once you've used the loader, you never want to go back to a skid steer. This we're gonna have to put 3-ish buckets in. We're gonna spill it all over the place. Not gonna be able to reach up there. And the salter's still not gonna be full. I'm gonna have to reload. So, yeah, I'd much rather be using the loader right now, but really doesn't reach. This is just a rental machine as a backup in case the loader is down, which, case in point, the froster works real good too. That's sarcasm. This one wasn't even supposed to be a rental. They didn't have any left. This was supposed to be this is a out of service rental. It's a little better. So it's kind of beat as well. If you haven't noticed, there's a common theme. This stuff I end up with for some reason. Not intentionally, but not my ideal by any means. That's about all we're going to get in there. We'll be back. Here we are, coming up on stop number 3 for the morning. Had to reload once. Or just top off anyways. A little salting technical tips here. Got the spinner on 6 in that entranceway there. Probably could have had it on 5, but and then auger on 10. Pretty much always run the auger on 10. Generally run the vibrator unless I'm just like backing up real slow or something like that. Pretty much the salt needs as much help as it can get to keep moving out, otherwise it kind of is inconsistent, trickles out here and there. So we got 3 entrances to do at this place, so run through a U-shape like that first, pull out on the road, shut off the auger, turn back in and hit it. Spin around here like this, and then we'll back in, get up close to those cars real good. And we'll flip the auger up to 9 or 8 here. Get this wider area. Just move a bit slower, but it saves us an extra trip. You can see where the edges of the salt are reaching to. So we're good. Turn it back down for this entrance. And write down our time, 4:31. All right, and on to the next one. Just about 5:30 now. Got through 3/4 of the list. Gonna have to go reload, but here's a place we did just under an hour ago. You can see, wet and black. That's what we like to see. Pain in the ass to have to go reload, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Go put another couple scoops in and get through the rest of it. So, that's all for now. Friday morning now. Nice and chilly again. Had a little bit of warm during the day the past couple days, but calling for decent amount of snow Sunday into Monday, looks like. So making sure everything's ready once again. Everything's fueled. Everything's pretty clean. It's too cold to wash right now anyways, but everything's pretty clean still. So the only thing is the front loader's still down, but they'll have a new one out to me by the end of the day today, if that's not back up and running. So, which that's their machine, so no cost to me. I just need that to be taken care of. Today what we're gonna work on is the backup lights for this this salt truck. They were starting to go bad. I only had them for 2 years, didn't even put them on until this year, and they started going bad. But I got a 5-year warranty on these buyer's lights. They're really, really bright. So I took them back, he tested them out, and they're good to go. So I had my in-house mechanic put the connectors back on. I say in-house because he's literally my roommate. So gave us some new hardware too. So we'll get these on, test them out, and yeah, should be good to go. Sweet. Awesome. Big spender. Got 2 loaders this year. You know, just at the end of your tax write-off. No, I'm just kidding. They couldn't get the first one up and running for us, so they brought us out another one, as promised. Glad to see it. Unfortunate that they had to come to that, but yeah, we got another loader, so we're good to go. Looks like we're gonna have a storm on Sunday night into Monday. Might have to salt in the morning too if this stuff keeps up. It's just starting to stick now. It's gonna get cold overnight, so might get to test her out. Alrighty, happy Friday. It's the weekend. Catch you later.